This is the symbol of control knobs. So if you are using if you want to type a musical symbol, if you want to adjust the control knob symbol, if you want to create this control knob symbol, then there's a method for doing this. You must either open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, and after that try this keyboard shortcut. There is Alt 127899. Okay, I'll show you how to create this symbol. For doing this, you must first go to your computer keyboard, and you can simply press this number lock key. So if you press the number lock key, you can see that the number lock have been enabled. Then you can see this is the Alt key on the left side of the keyboard, so you must press and hold this Alt key. You do not remove your finger from this Alt key, and at the same time you can type here 127899. After typing that, you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. So we have created this control knob symbol. For more videos, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.